Hey, what's up everybody? It's Travis the Acorn here. And good news. My tripod came in, my memory card came in, so I am now mobile. And what better way to test it out than to stuff myself into the trunk of my own car. It's actually a lot roomier than I thought. So now I won't be able to, well, I will still be able to, but now I am no longer hindered with crappy phone quality camera. And someone spotted me being stupid, so let's get out of my trunk. Uh-oh. I think I'm stuck. Well, I'm not stuck. I think I can do a spin jump out of here, but I think if I do that, chances are I'm not going to be able to stick the landing. Well, you only live once. Oh, shit. Ow. Oh, that hurt. Alright. I kept my hat on. And my glasses. Well, okay. Now to do a proper outro. Landed hard on my ass. Okay. If you found this video in any way entertaining, be sure to hit like and subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications. Keep up to date with my stuff because I will be producing more content on the daily. Well, not the daily, but more frequently now. Especially stupid stuff like this. This is Travis the Acorn. I'll see you in the next video.